I will show you how to set all your YouTube videos as private at once in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So as you can see, I have some videos right here. I have 12 and I want to make all of them private at once. So to do that, I need to click here, select all. You need to go to YouTube Studio for that, by the way. So after you click there, you will see you can edit all the videos at once. So click there and go to visibility. So once you are here, you can set 3 different types of visibility. By default, I have them as public, so I'm gonna set them as private. Then update the videos. This window will pop up. Just mark this checkbox to agree. Update the videos. And now it will start loading, and after a few seconds all your videos will be set as private. So now they have been updated, so let's refresh the page, and as you can see, I have all the videos as private. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.